Did you know that? Yes, you. Siyempre, pati ako. Are being loved without end? Yes. How? Paano? Because of God's love. And how are we going to receive God's love? Through Jesus Christ. Yes, because He is the tangible expression of God's love. O, alam mo na. Accept Jesus, and you will define why you are being loved without end. It is like there is an invitation. God's love gives and actively offers itself to you and me. Our love must receive and accept that love in return. He initiates, we respond. He loves, we receive that love. This may seem like a small point, but it's one of the most significant truths that you will ever learn. But remember, He doesn't invite us because of our accomplishments or our worthiness. He invites us for who we are. Because if we try to prove that we are worthy of being invited, we might have missed the whole point. Accept Jesus into your heart, and you'll be receiving God's love. You want a relationship that lasts? Eto na yun. God bless.